Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook error something went wrong. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook error something went wrong, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then in this page you will go to click force stop. After that you will go to click storage, and then in this page you will click here clear cache. After that you will go to click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.